she's too dumb.
It's shallow on the other side.
Laura, she's coming back.
Maggie doesn't like this.
Laura, she's gonna drown.
Dick has her.
Laura, you have to go get her.
Are you sure? Okay, no.
Laura, you have to get her.
Maggie, come. And we're trying to stick.
Maggie,
Maggie, come this way. Come.
go get her, Laura.
I can't believe she immediately got into the box. Get that leash.
Get the leash.
Stupid fucking dog.
This is going on Facebook. Watch your language.
Come here. Come here.